Ever wonder if there's a natural, powerful solution to climate change right under our noses? Well, there is. And it's been around for millions of years. Forests. Today we're diving deep into why bringing our forests back to life. A process called reforestation is one of the most critical actions we can take for our planet. So, how does it work? It all starts with something you probably learned about in science class: photosynthesis. Trees are like nature's own carbon capture machines. They breathe in the carbon dioxide that's warming our atmosphere, and through the magic of photosynthesis, they use sunlight to turn that carbon into the very wood, leaves, and roots they're made of. They stored carbon is called biomass. A single mature tree can absorb about 48 pounds of carbon dioxide per year. Now, imagine billions of new trees doing that. By planting more forests, we're essentially building a massive living carbon storage facility, actively pulling greenhouse gases out of the air and locking them away. But the benefits of reforestation go way beyond just fighting climate change. Think about the economic boost it provides. Restoring degraded lands creates jobs in tree planting, forest management, and ecotourism. Local communities can sustainably harvest timber, medicinal plants, and fruits. It's about building a green economy where both people and nature can thrive together. Healthy forests also prevent soil erosion, which is crucial for agriculture. They act like giant sponges, soaking up rainwater and releasing it slowly, which helps prevent devastating floods and ensures a stable water supply for millions. Ecologically restored forests become vibrant homes for countless species of plants and animals. Helping to reverse the biodiversity crisis we're facing, they bring life back to silent landscapes. The world is waking up to this incredible potential. Ambitious goals have been set, like the Bond Challenge, which aims to restore 350 million hectares of degraded land by 2030. That's an area larger than India. And we're already seeing amazing success stories that prove it's possible. Take the Great Green Wall in Africa. An epic initiative to plant an 8,000-kilometer wall of trees across the entire continent, fighting desertification and creating a green belt of opportunity. In Costa Rica, decades of dedicated effort have resulted in the country doubling its forest cover, showing the world how conservation policies can lead to a thriving ecotourism industry, even in places like South Korea. Post-war reforestation efforts transformed barren mountainsides into the lush, green landscapes you see today. These examples aren't just inspiring. They're a blueprint for our future. Reforestation isn't just about planting trees. It's about restoring hope. It's about rebuilding ecosystems, revitalizing economies, and creating a healthier, more stable world for generations to come. Every single tree makes a difference, and together they can save us. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes the most advanced technology we need is the one that nature has already perfected. Thank you so much for watching. You found this video inspiring? Please hit that like button. Subscribe for more content about our amazing planet, and share this message with someone who needs to hear it. I'll see you in the next one.